A mangrove is a shrub or tree that grows mainly in coastal saline or brackish water. Mangrove grow in an equatorial climate, typically along coastline and tidal rivers. They have special adaptation to take in extra oxygen and to remove salt, which allow them to tolerate conditions that would kill most plants. Mangrove forests form a unique wetland ecosystem inhabiting the edge of the land and sea, rooted and thriving in seawater. Mangrove plays a vital role in coastal ecology and in sustaining and securing coastal communities. According to a research by Hamdan Omar, which is the members of International Conference and Exhibition on Geospatial and Remote Sensing (IGRSM), it was found that Malaysia currently has about 630,000 hectares of mangrove, where 61% found in Sabah, 22% in Sarawak, and 17% in Peninsula Malaysia. But sadly, the rate of mangrove deforestation was about 0.1% per year between 1990 to 2017. So, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers, come join us to get to know much deeper about ecosystem in mangrove.
So, ladies and gentlemen, in our video today, we have choose Taman Paya Bakau Sijangkang as our location for our biology video. We choose Taman Paya Bakau Sijangkang because it consists a lot of flora and fauna, especially mangrove, which can help us in our research. In fact, did you guys know that the word Sijangkang was taken from Sijangkang tree, which have habitat in watery places or near the river. So, back from the old days, these places was undeveloped and become a garbage dump for people, especially villagers at Kampung Sijangkang. Fortunately, in 2015, the collaboration between the villagers and highway company, which is Plus Company, have worked together to develop the recreation center and was named as Taman Paya Bakau Sijangkang. From 2015 until now, it was open for all of people as a places to do their research or study. And some of people will come here to explore the various of flora and fauna that have in Taman Paya Bakau Sijangkang. So, today, we have investigated the species of mangrove and the importance of it to our ecosystem.
What are the importance of mangrove to the ecosystem or habitat it lives in? Mangrove are tropical plants that can withstand tidal inundation, seawater, and wet soil. They serve as a bridge between land and sea, as well as between human and nature. Mangrove are crucial for the stability of the coastal ecosystem and reduction of erosion. They protect neighboring populated areas from erosion and effects of storm surges during major weather events like hurricanes by acting as a natural barrier. Mangrove forest has been found to be highly resilient to the powerful effects of the tsunami too. Mangrove are the foundation of highly productive and biologically diverse ecosystem. They provide a home, nursery, and feeding ground for a wide range of species of fish, birds, insects, and reptiles. By absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mangrove aid in the fight against global warming. In comparison to terrestrial forests, mangrove forests are able to retain 4 times more carbons. Mangroves are also filter water by removing nutrients and pollutants from stormwater runoff before they reach seagrass habitats and coral reefs. Economically, mangroves provide livelihood opportunities for coastal communities through fisheries and ecotourism. The fish, shellfish, and the other food sources obtained from them play a vital role in the food security of neighboring communities. Let's move along to the species of mangrove system in Taman Paya Bakau Sijangkang.
Avicennia alba, or also known as api-api putih, is one of the mangrove species that can be found in Taman Paya Bakau, Sijangkang. The growth of this species can reach about 20 meter maximum in height. The leaf of this tree is succulent. The root of this tree is also known as pneumatophores that penetrate the soil to allow the respiration of the root in the muddy soil. The habitat of this species is newly formed mangrove forest. The species usually grows in monsoonal climate. Other than that, the Rhizophora mucronatalam is also one of the mangrove species that can be found in Taman Paya Bakau, Sijangkang. This tree is stated that it can grow up to 15 meter. However, it is usually found to be much more shorter than that. It is even rare to find one that grows even more than 3 meter. The root of the tree consists of two types, which are aerial roots that are growing from the lower branches as well as thin roots from the trunk. This species is usually found in the intermediate to upstream estuarine zone, in the lower to mid-interdenal region, and more to the seaward side. It also grows best in deeply inundated areas on firm soil. The Rhizophora mucronatalam growth are more suitable in tropical climate. The last species is the Xylocarpus monagensis. It has medium to large size tree, measuring up to 20 to 30 meter tall, and it usually has a sparse canopy. The roots of the species is pneumatophores at the base of the trunk. The habitat of the tree usually occurs in the tidal forest, the bank of tidal creeks, and along open shores of fish ponds. This tree usually grows in a monsoonal climate.
Why we need to conserve mangrove forests? First, what is the meaning of conserve? Referring to Cambridge Dictionary, the meaning of conserve is to keep and protect something from damage or waste. Hence, mangrove forests are very important to be conserved because they play a very huge role in balancing the ecosystem and the global climate. Mangrove ecosystem is a unique ecosystem that is situated between sea and land as well as rich in biodiversity. This ecosystem is important to marine life to spawn and a place for young fishes to take refuge before entering the sea. Mangrove is also used by hundreds of migratory birds as a shelter to lay eggs and rest. In addition, it is an important habitat for various types of crabs and shrimp. Mangrove also acts as a natural buffer to reduce the effects of waves and an important agent to trap sediment, which is natural reclamation process due to tidal activities of seawater. Besides, the existence of mangrove forests is very important as a carbon reservoir to preserve the environment and balance the climate change. Not only that, it is able to restore the level of air pollution in the surrounding depending on the size of the mangrove forest itself. According to Sahabat Alam Malaysia, they believe that conserving and improving the mangrove forest ecosystem will provide infinite value to our country's nature, biodiversity and food resources. Despite the importance, mangrove forest size in the country is reducing at an alarming rate. Therefore, the efforts to protect and conserve mangrove must be intensified. For instance, edu-tourism is a good conservation model for mangrove forests given the strategic locations. Taman Rekreasi Paya Bakau Sijangkang is one of the establishment of edu-tourism sites that promotes the awareness of conserving the mangrove. There are various programs that provided, such as replantation of mangrove trees, education, and mangrove walk. To sum up, conserving the mangrove is very crucial so that the future generation can enjoy the beauty of nature and balanced ecosystem. Therefore, it is important for the community to play a role in conserving the mangrove.